Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with Geography, Chapter 1, Our Environment. Environment includes everything one finds in one's surroundings. For example, your class, school building, desk, chairs, trees, and playground are all parts of your environment at school. The environment sustains all forms of life on the earth. Due to this environment, the earth is the home to many living things. We thus should understand the process that supports the environment. What is environment? Environment refers to all the external conditions in which an organism lives. Thus, the things surrounding us constitute our environment. The environment comprises both natural and human components. For example, the environment in your school comprises plants, students, desks, chairs, etc. Plants make up the natural component of the environment at school. Students make up the human component of the environment. Desks and chairs that are human-made are also grouped under the human components of the school environment. Natural environment. Natural environment is the system that supports life. It comprises air, water, land, and food, which are found in nature and are essential for living. It also provides us with many other things such as natural fibers with which we can make clothes, minerals which we use in our industries, and sources of energy. Thus, the natural environment fulfills all our needs. In fact, our very existence depends on it. The natural environment has both living and non-living components. All living things such as plants, organisms, humans, animals, etc. make up the biotic component of natural environment, also called the biological environment. All non-living things such as land, water, air, etc. make up the abiotic components or the physical environment. Let us move on to domains of our environment. The natural environment comprises four major domains: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. The lithosphere comprises land. It is the outer crust of the earth on which we all live. This domain is made up of rocks, minerals, and soil. The soil cover supports all kinds of plant life and organisms. The lithosphere includes forests, grasslands, fertile land for farming, and different landforms like mountains and plains. It is a rich source of minerals. The atmosphere comprises layers of gases that surrounds the earth. It keeps harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun from reaching us. It regulates the temperature of the earth. It protects us from the heat of the sun during the day and keep it from freezing at night. It contains life-supporting gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. In this way, it helps sustain life on our planet. The hydrosphere comprises all water bodies and water sources found on earth. It comprises running water in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice and glaciers, underground water, and water vapor. This water is essential for all forms of life. It is also a source of energy, mineral, food, etc. The biosphere is the narrow zone where air, water, and land interact and support life. It is this thin zone that life exists on our planet and makes it unique. The biosphere comprises a variety of organisms from microbes to bacteria to large mammals and plants. Ecosystem. All components of the natural environment interact with and depend on each other. The interaction of living organisms with each other and with their surroundings form the ecosystem of a place. The interaction between the different components of an ecosystem is such that they create a self-sufficient unit. Land, vegetation, and living organisms are different in different places. Therefore, we find different types of ecosystem in forests, deserts, oceans. Even an aquarium can be considered an ecosystem. Human environment. The human environment includes all humans, their activities and interactions, and human-made things. If we take a look around us, we will find many other things surrounding us besides air, land, and water. For example, books, pencils, buildings, lights, etc. These are human-made components of the environment. Humans have had a big impact on the natural environment. The natural environment is constantly changing as a result of natural processes such as erosion, movement of the earth's crust, etc. Humans have also been modifying the environment to suit their needs. They are hugely responsible for the changes in it. Just like the environment has a huge impact on people, people also affect the environment they live in. Therefore, it is important that humans take greater care of the environment and ensure that the balance in nature is not disturbed. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy.